Hello, my dear viewers. Hello. Okay, so we have a clear sound here. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is Tuesday, and it is 12th of March 2024. Um, all right, guys. I'm sorry for being late today because there is a certain technical glitch here. My stream was not planned, I think, today. So like I said that today is 12th of March, the second trading day of the week. It is Tuesday, and I'm Dukas Copy's trading community member. Some of you might be thinking that I am a Dukas Copy employee, but I am not. I'm not their employee, and therefore I am an independent analyst. And whatever I am going to say here, they are my own opinion or trading ideas. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. Since we are late, I will not be taking much of time. In next 10 minutes, I will be covering the key levels of importance for all the major forex pairs, and we'll also go through the Nikkei, gold, Bitcoin, and New Zealand cat. That is important stuff today that we have to discuss. So I'll not take, like I said, that I'll not take much time, but we have to go through the standard risk disclaimer. And also, before I start the session, I must tell you that this video should not be seen as a trading advice. It is only to increase your knowledge level so that you can make some informed decisions in the market. So let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer before I show you my charts. Please understand the risk that is involved here, and then only jump to the charts. So first things first, let me take you through the dollar index. What is it doing? Well, until now we have come to know that bias is bearish in the dollar index, and the price has made an intraday low on 8th of March, which was below this crucial level of 102.57 that was created on 24th of January this year. So now we are looking for the next level, that is 101.63, and I think that the sellers will be pushing the markets for 101.63 as and when they get an opportunity. And I think they have already reached an area of resistance here, which was the previous low. This low here was around 103.17, and today the price has made an intraday high of 103.18, so it is almost a similar level, and they have initiated the sells. Now you can check that on the 2 hour, this is exactly what the price has done. I'm not expecting the price to go beyond 103, but this is possible. Okay, now if I switch to 4 hour, you will see that there is some swing formed here, some swing formed here. This is actually on the 4 hour, this is the resistance. Okay, but on the daily basis, 104.26 is still the resistance, but this previous low here, this previous low, this is what I'm expecting to act as a good resistance, because this was a very good support in the past. You look at this, thereafter this support was broken and the price has headed back into this. Now this should start acting as a resistance. So right now we have 103.21 area as the resistance and 102.57 as the smaller support, and the bigger support is around 101.63, which is also our target on the downside. This is one. The next is pound. Now pound, we were expecting a down move before we can rise to this level again. Now this down move, to what extent it can go, we are not sure about it. Anybody can make any attempts, but till the time this down move is not over, we should not be looking for any buying opportunity. So if I switch to 4 hours, you can still create some channel like this, and on 1 hour or 2 hour, this channel is even better, so that you have a clear idea when to open a buy position. Now this channel has increased. We are not looking for any selling opportunity, so we will not sell. And as and when we see that the price is trying to rise above this with a higher volume, if something like this happen ever like this, then you'll be looking for buying this market at a retest like this. Or what you can do is, if something like this happens, then you can keep a buy stop order above this high and keep a stop loss below this low which the price has made, and of course you have to buy at this place. Getting my point? In this case, your stop loss will be this and your potential target will be this. Make some sense? Yes. That's it guys for the GBP USD. The bias is bullish. Now we cannot say that the bias is bearish, so we have to change this. The bias is bullish. We need to keep updating this so that we are in line, and those who are watching after this live session is over, they should come to know what is going on here. All right, so the bias is bullish and it will remain bullish until and unless the price is trading above 1.2600. all right, so we are looking for a buying opportunity in this one. Talking about the euro, similar is the case of euro as it was Great Britain pound. The bias is bullish here also above 1.0795. It will remain bullish. Now this can also be broken down into a channel. You go to the 2 hour or 1 hour if you prefer that. This is cool. So you can create a counter trending channel. You are not looking to sell this market. This is for sure. You're not looking to sell this market, but you're looking to buy this market as and when it breaks out on the upside. As and when, sorry, what is this happening? As and when the price breaks out on the upside. So this is what you're looking for. All right. So something like this is possible here in this market very soon. So keep an eye on this one. On the upside, you will find that 1.0932 is acting as some resistance. Although now you can push this level to the previous high that the price has made around 1.0981, and the support can be seen around 1.0795. There is no support in between, I think. Let me check on the daily. All right, in between there is no support. So if the price makes another high, then of course this low that the price will make around 1.0897 will act as a good support. But right now this is the only support, 1.0795. The resistance, first level of resistance is 1.0981, second is 1.10. okay, this one. Australian dollar on the similar lines like New Zealand, cable and the euro, it is also trying to pull back before the next leg up. In this case the resistance is 0.6748. The support can be seen around this area, and this will also act as a small support, 0.6625. You can move it now to the actually previously created high. Okay, and we'll see what happens next. Right now 0.6668 is the short-term resistance. The bigger resistance is 0.6748 and the support can be seen around 0.6543. Similarly, in the New Zealand dollar, something is just not adding up. The price is trying to come back, and I am expecting it to come back at least to the level of 0.6112 area, where it will find some support and then push towards 0.6218. Let's see how the things unfold. But right now, I'm looking for a buying opportunity after this downtrending channel breaks to the upside. All right. Talk about the USD CHF. Well, this is what is expected. As of now, the price is moving in the similar area, and I'm expecting this area to act as a strong resistance where I will be expecting the prices to go down very fast, and I'm expecting the price to go to 0.8455 in this market. On the upside, we are already at the confluence of the resistance. Maybe tomorrow we will get a huge sell-off, and below 0.8743 I am not going to buy this market. It will be sold by me to the target of 0.8455. On the upside, we also have a horizontal level of resistance which is sitting at around 0.8893. USD CAD, well, we are expecting the price to reject this channel support area now, which will be acting as a resistance. As many times as we are going to hit this channel support, previously support, now that will act as a resistance. First target that we are expecting on this one on the downside is 1.3441. Thereafter, we are expecting 1.3359 and also 1.3177. For some reason, if the price starts going up, the horizontal level of resistance that is first on the line is 1.3620. USD JPY, well, why it is rising, we are not sure. But yes, even if keeps rising, then you can expect 148.92 area to be an area of the sellers, from where I think you will get another opportunity to go short in this market. So this has come like this. Okay, so you don't miss this opportunity if you get a short opportunity around 148.92. The support is 145.89. The resistance I have mentioned already, 148.92. New Zealand CAD, well, we should be looking for the buying opportunity here, not here, but actually this channel should cater for these lows also. So I'm just trying to go it to this level, and yes, rest all is okay. So I think this level of 0.8278 should be acting as a good support for the price. So if not today, then maybe tomorrow you should see a big green candle in this one, I think. The resistance being 0.8417, and for some reason if the buyers do not buy this market at this level, then expect the market to drop down to 0.8188 very soon, very soon, if that happens. Bitcoin trading currently at 71.1, almost 71,200, and has made an intraday high around 73,037. Now this is higher than the high yesterday, and there is a sell-off, but the sell-off is not enough to push the markets down. So there is some selling, but the selling is not enough. The buyers are still coming in and buying the Bitcoin. That means this gray market is still flourishing and the prices can continue on the upside, We are not sure till what extent the prices can go, because the upside is open. But if it starts going down, then 66,245 should be a good support for the price. Talking about the Brent, we have already noticed that the Brent is going to go down for sure. 76.66 is the first level of horizontal support. This dynamic support may be given by this trend line, which is also a symmetrical triangle trend line. And on the downside, like I said, 76.66 is the first level of support. Then after it is 72.33. On the upside, we have a strong resistance in the zone of 84.62. Gold must be okay. So the gold is finally also falling, maybe because of some sudden rise in the US dollar, but expect the gold to push back towards upside again from 2146. If not 2146, then from these levels, or it may get a deeper correction also before the buyers jump in. Okay, like I was saying, that the Japanese index is in a downtrend now, so every rise should be seen as an opportunity to go short in this market. 39,271 is the first level of resistance that I'll be looking at, and the second level of resistance is around 39,631. Anything out of these two may be a selling opportunity, so keep your eyes and ears open so as to what happens in the market. The support being around 38,093. That's all guys from my side. We'll see you again tomorrow at 1700 GMT. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask the questions. I'll be very happy to answer those questions. You can ask the questions in the chat box that is provided. I'm live. You are just 5 seconds away from me. Ask your questions and you have answers. All right, guys. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember, please risk only less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. You should not risk more than 1% if you're a beginner. Even if you're a pro, I think you will not be risking more than 1%, so that you can survive for the next day. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.